Reese's Peanut Butter Chocolate Cookie Dough. 6 ingredients, 5 minutes to make. Easy, simple, creamy, delicious. What's not to like? The only hard part is stopping yourself from making more. Let's get into it. Start by adding 15 grams of casein protein, followed by 15 grams of whey protein, 24 grams of peanut powder. I like to use PB Fit. This is basically peanut butter, but with a lot less fat, therefore a lot less calories. 10 grams of sweetener, then 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and start mixing very slowly to make sure that all your powder doesn't pour over and spill out of the bowl. You can add more water as necessary in order to get a creamier consistency, but it's better to start with less water in the beginning and then add on. As always, my friend, if you're enjoying this content, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. You're looking for a nut butter sort of consistency, something that's nice and thick, very creamy. Once you're done mixing your ingredients and get the desired consistency, add 20 grams of chocolate chips to a microwavable container. Microwave on bursts of 10 to 15 seconds so it doesn't burn the chocolate, and then add the chocolate to the rest of your mixture. Make sure to mix everything together until it's well incorporated, because if you leave the chocolate on top and then decide to refrigerate it, it will get hard and it will ruin your cookie dough texture. So as you can see here on the screen, I'm mixing until everything gets this nice golden brown color, just like a Reese's peanut butter cup would be. Once you're done mixing this, you want to add 10 more grams of chocolate chips. This is going to create that chocolate chip cookie kind of feeling. So as you're biting into it, you get a bit of the cookie dough and some chocolate chips along with it. What I like to do is just fold it slowly into the mixture a couple of times until it's nicely distributed evenly and there's chocolate chip pretty much in every bite. You now have two options. You could eat the dessert as is, where it has this nice creamy consistency, sort of like a nut butter. Or in my personal preference, what I like to do is place it in the refrigerator overnight so that it stiffens and hardens and becomes more cookie dough-like than actual nut butter texture. As you can see here on the screen, you get this dense, fudgy, chewy-like consistency, just like proper cookie dough that tastes really good, very sweet. Now for the macros, this peanut butter chocolate cookie dough has 38 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbs, 9 grams of fat, 301 calories for the whole bowl. High in protein for not a lot of calories. Great way to sneak a treat into your diet. And there you have it, the Reese's peanut butter chocolate, nice and thick cookie dough. Look at how thick that is sticking to the spoon. Delicious treat. As always, if you enjoyed this, make sure to check out my other videos. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you and have a lovely day.